Hi guys, let's see how to convert currency to words. Okay, so if this is, let's say 14,750.5 USD dollars, then we can write a function here and convert it into words. So let's see how to do this. Click on extensions and click on app script. And here what you have to do, you have to just delete whatever is written and paste this script which converts currency in US dollars to words. If you don't want to delete the existing function, you can click on add a file and then delete it. And once you have pasted it, click on save project to drive. I've given this function, this script, and the description of this video. Just click on the link and copy the script. Now once done, you have to use this function currency to words. You can copy it and just type equals to currency to words, and in the bracket just select that cell and close the bracket, hit enter, and it will show you $1. Okay, just drag it down and you will see that you will get all these things. For example, here $14,750.50. Okay, this is all written. Thanks for watching. Please